I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.
I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.
I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.
I was a student member at university and then upgraded it once I started my career, and it was the best thing I could have done because the society is great. They really support you all the way through.
I have been involved with Royal Aeronautical Society myself for more than 6 years now. It just generally expands your knowledge. You can get to attend various conferences, liaise with different people from different companies and different engineering backgrounds.
At Careers in Aerospace Live, I first met Martin Baker, who I was fortunate enough to later get an internship with. So in between Careers in Aerospace Live and getting the internship, I used the Society's one-to-one CV check to make sure that my CV was up to scratch before I sent off the application.
We help you be more confident in your interpersonal skills when you do your job, when you go out to approach people.
Through the Young Persons Network, I got to volunteer for the air shows during the 2016 season, which meant I met young members from a whole host of other companies, the MOD, the ESG, Airbus, Rolls-Royce, you name it.
So I think for anyone applying for a job, anything they can do that's outside of their normal curriculum or makes them stand out from the person next to them is a good thing. And I guess when we're looking at application forms, things like RAeS, it also adds another dimension to their application.
I wanted to be involved so that I could have a bit more of a wider understanding of the aerospace community. So up until that point my background had been quite focused on engineering, and this seemed like a good opportunity to meet some people that were into flying. I decided I wanted to upgrade to E-Associate to start making my progress up the membership of the Society. I thought that an upgraded membership was a good way to start progressing my career, to show my willingness to my employer that I wanted to start furthering myself, and also I would like to work towards chartership within the future, and I thought this was a fantastic way to move towards that.
I would say upgrading your membership is vital for your continued professional development. The Royal Aeronautical Society does a lot to support members with their continued professional development. It starts at the beginning of your career, but it's going to continue throughout.
The student membership is one thing, but when you have full membership, you might have a corporate engineer or you might have a professional accreditation, then I think it's important to have that membership to show that you're still part of it and it wasn't just something you did and then you forgot about. So I think that's key in terms of having that continuation.
By upgrading your membership, you're giving yourself the opportunity to further your career. It shows a willingness to any employer that you've got the letters after your name. You're taking an active interest in furthering your own career. You want to develop.
Don't be put off thinking it's a huge, process. It's not. It's very simple. It's quick, it's easy, and it's going to help you in your career.
Definitely do it.
I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.
I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.
I am the Royal Aeronautical Society.